Welcome to the first episode of 6 Minutes of History. We will learn about the popular civilization called the Indus Valley Civilization. This period in the Bronze Age is also known as the Indus Saraswati Civilization, the Harappan culture, the city of Mohenjo-daro. These are the first civilizations known to us. Having grown up hearing them, in this episode we will learn what makes these civilizations great even centuries later. In 1856, British colonial officers were building railways to connect Lahore and Karachi. During its construction, the workers found out a few odd bricks but paid no heed to it. Much later, during the 1920s, some archaeologists rediscovered these bricks and found out that they belonged to an ancient era, which we now know as the Indus Valley Civilization. Initially, the archaeologists believed that bricks belonged to Maurya Empire, which dominated the Indian region between 322 and 185 BC. However, years of research has led to evidence of settlement as early as 7000 BCE. The first settlement was discovered in modern-day Balochistan in Pakistan. Today, the Indus Valley Civilization is known to be the foremost urban civilization in the world. Present-day Iran was called Sumeria. Its nomads found water, fodder, fertile land and fuel at one place. They settled towards the north on the banks of the Indus River. Today we know this place as Karachi in Pakistan. Over the next 1,000 years, their settlement spread over 500,000 square miles and incorporated almost 1,052 cities ranging from modern-day Afghanistan to Pakistan and India. Amongst its many cities and settlements, we widely speak of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro because they exhibited extremely developed features of urban civilization. The Harappans were the first one to use wheel transportation in the form of ox carts. They were also highly dependent on various kinds of trade, including maritime trading. This explains that they also built boats and watercraft. The Harappans saw three phases, namely Early Harappan phase from 3300 to 2600 BC when they started settling down. Mature Harappan phase from 2600 to 1900 BC when they thrived. Late Harappan phase from 1900 to 1300 BC when the Harappans saw their decline. Small communities developed into large urban centers by 2600 BC. It is believed that Mohenjo-daro was built around the same time. Translating to the Mount of the Dead in the Sindhi language, this was the largest city of Indus Valley Civilization, which was also known as the world's earliest urban center. Known from being the most sophisticated, Mohenjo-daro was located to the west of the Indus River. Advanced engineering and urban planning set Mohenjo-daro apart. The well-fortified city was home to 23,500 residents spread over 370 acres. They lived in houses with flat roofs of red sand and clay. The Great Bath was a prominent feature that tells us that they believed in the idea of community. The people of this civilization were mainly artisans and merchants. They created dockyards, warehouses, brick platforms, protective walls against floods or military conflict. Each house in the vicinity drew water from a well. They are also known as the first to incorporate an urban sanitization system. The wastewater from each house had a properly planned route to exit the vicinity and maintain hygiene. Among some of the many innovations of the Indus Valley Civilization, here are some notable ones. They used fire-baked bricks, which were moisture-resistant and uniform. They had tools that proved great accuracy in measuring length and mass. They invented seal carving with metallurgy involving copper, bronze, lead, and tin. They also had a technical and political process to use the land and design the urban environment. Apart from their elaborate drainage system, they also had a trash organization system and large rooms used as granaries. Thousands of years later, this epic civilization saw its decline. Several theories point at different events resulting in its end. Towards the 1800 BCE, the reason for the ambiguity is because the scriptures written during this time continue to be the undecipherable for us. During its decline, trade and taxation came to a halt. The Great Baths were blocked or built over. The standardized weights and measures fell out of use. One theory states that the Aryan invaded and conquered the Indus Valley civilization. However, these claims are majorly rejected. Some scholars believe climate change to have caused the decline. It is suggested that the drying up of the Saraswati River resulted in the scattering of these large communities. Yet another theory states that the eastward moving monsoon destroyed the vegetation and agriculture, causing them to migrate. Some concluded that a great flood struck the area, wiping away everything. All these years later, this marvelous civilization continues to be an ongoing study. The Aryan race is something that we have heard of in films, fictions, non-fiction, and everyday conversations. But who were these Aryans? Did they bleed blue? Let's find out in the next episode of 6 Minute History. Tell us if you liked the video by clicking on the thumbs up button, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated for our future videos.